Your heart is way stronger than most people give it credit for. It's not just a background player quietly keeping you alive, it's a powerhouse, working tirelessly from the moment you're born until your very last breath. I mean, it doesn't just quietly thump in your chest, it launches blood with a force you might expect from a water cannon. Imagine the sheer energy it takes to keep that up, beat after beat, day after day. Seriously, each time your heart beats, it can generate enough pressure to squirt blood up to 9 meters high. That's not just a fun fact, it's a testament to the raw, explosive power packed into this small muscular organ. That's the height of a 3-story building. Picture that for a second, a jet of blood shooting skyward, all powered by a muscle no bigger than your fist. It's almost hard to believe something so small can create such a dramatic effect. Yep, your heart is basically a biological pump cannon. It's a living machine engineered by evolution to be both incredibly strong and remarkably efficient. So, how does this insane power actually work? What's going on inside your chest every time you feel that thump? It all comes down to the left ventricle, which is the heart's powerhouse. When it contracts, valves open and blood rockets out through the aorta, the body's main highway. This is the moment when all that pressure is unleashed, sending a surge of life-giving blood to every corner of your body. The pressure? About 120 millimeters of mercury, or mmHg, if you want to sound fancy at your next trivia night. That's the kind of pressure you'd see in a car tire, but it's happening inside your arteries, every single second. And if the system ever opens up, that pressure can literally cause blood to burst out, just like a broken fire hydrant. It's not just a trickle, it's a powerful, pulsing jet. This is why your blood gets everywhere it needs to go, from your brain down to your toes. The heart's forceful push is what makes sure oxygen and nutrients reach every cell, no matter how far away. It's that strong, relentless push that keeps every cell alive and happy. Without it, your organs would starve, your muscles would fail, and your brain would shut down in seconds. But what if this power ever breaks free? What happens when the system is compromised? In some really rare and scary trauma cases, doctors have seen blood spray across entire rooms, like something out of a horror movie. It's shocking, but it's a real demonstration of just how much force your heart can generate. Why does that happen? Because your heart's pressure is just that intense. It's not just a gentle flow, it's a pressurized system, and when it's breached, the results are dramatic. If an artery gets torn open, blood doesn't just ooze, it jets out. The heart's power turns a simple wound into a life-threatening emergency in seconds. That's why stopping arterial bleeding is an absolute emergency. You've got to put pressure on the wound, fast, to plug that high-powered leak. Every second counts, because the heart won't stop pumping. So let's take a moment to respect the heart. It's not just a symbol of love or emotion, it's a literal engine of life, working harder than any machine you'll ever own. It beats about 100,000 times a day and pushes over 7,000 liters of blood through your body every 24 hours. That's enough to fill a small swimming pool, all moved by a muscle you barely notice. Every single beat is like a tiny explosion, launching life through your veins with the force of a pressure hose. It's a non-stop, high-stakes performance, and your heart never takes a break. So next time you feel your pulse, remember, you're carrying a high-powered blood cannon right in your chest. It's a marvel of biology, and it deserves a little awe. If this pumped up your brain, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, did you know your heart could basically paint a wall? Or did this fact just blow your mind? Stay curious. The more you learn about your own body, the more you realize just how incredible it really is.